Jumblikans!
Let's grow some plants, green, green, green. Lots of plants, green, green, green. Let's dig with our shovels deep, 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 and plant lots of baby seeds, seeds, seeds.
We put the baby seeds in the ground. What do we do next?
We'll cover them up nicely and hide them in the ground. Let's pat the seeds down, down, down. Hide them inside the ground, ground, ground. Soon they will grow tall, tall, tall. Come up and smile at us all, all, all.
What are the seeds doing now? And what do we do next?
The seeds are growing into plants. And since plants get thirsty, we'll get our watering cans out and give them a drink.
What about their food?
Growing plants need a drink, drink, drink. Cool water is their favorite thing. Plants make food with help from the sun.
Oh, growing plants is fun, fun, fun.
Now let's give the plants some time to grow.
Oh, look! Our baby seeds have grown into plants!
See our plants so green, green, green. So pretty